Well, the corn is growing awfully quick this year. It's not even June yet, and it's about 18 inches in a lot of places, but I'm out here anyways trying. I keep finding exciting things, a lot of different colors and materials and all kinds of factors, but my goal is to find something exciting, something new, maybe something worth bragging about. So I'll keep trying, and you guys will be the first to know if I do. Get back to you. Okay, so on a pleasant note, I have been finding lots of evidence of work, lots of flakes and things, but none of that matters really, because I just found, I haven't touched it at all yet, something really worth looking at. It's kind of cool. I don't want to make any guesses. I don't know what's there. We're gonna find out together. Huh. It's a little bit too thick to be anything related to a drill. It doesn't look broken to me. I mean, there's kind of a defined point, I guess. But yeah, there's clear and obvious signs of work. I hope that demonstrates it for you. Slightly serrated. I'll have to get back with you and try and determine what it is, but yeah, find one of the year. I'll get back to you. All right, well, another stroke of luck, and I haven't fussed with it yet, but I'll show it. Here we go. Looks pretty promising to me. Oh yeah. Man, that's beautiful. Can't convince me otherwise. Oh man, I'll set that down for a second. And these are my two finds on the night. I still don't know what this is, and I intend to research it. But how about that? You don't often have 2-item nights. I consider myself lucky. Man. Well, I guess I'll see what else I can do. I'll get back with you soon. Well, I'll get right to this one. It's getting dark on me. But at first I thought it was a flake. I'll admit I did touch it. But after a little more thought, I think it's a relatively fresh break there on top. That could be a base. And the more I think about it, the more I think it's that way. I think that style of base is called, they're referred to as Adena points, but I have to double check. I guess the theme of tonight's hunt is do some research afterward, so I'm reporting accurately, but that's pretty exciting. Black flint is a top 5 color around here, but it's not super common, so that's exciting to me. But yeah, I'll keep getting back if I can. See ya. All right, after a couple of blistering hot hours out here, I don't have a whole lot to show for, but I found something I haven't touched yet. Could be pretty worthwhile. So I'm gonna go ahead and break it out with you as my witness. Oh, well, that sucks. Sorry, I'm a little crabby. It's hot out, but something like that would fool anybody, I guess. Okay, I'll see what else I can do. Well, my update for right now is that I found a good collection of intriguing flakes. Camera isn't really doing it justice in this light. There's blacks and purples and some interesting stuff, but nothing that's truly worth keeping, in my opinion. I've been at it for a while now, but with the finds I've had in the last couple of days, I'm just gonna go ahead and call that a video. Hopefully I can beat the corn and keep finding things, but I'll do what I can to post regularly and share my good luck with you all. I appreciate all the recent channel support. I've never seen any growth quite like this. It's pretty awesome. So I'll leave it there. Good luck out there. And hopefully I'll have some of the same. Give you something to look at. Goodbye.